What if you had no fear? What if every time life whispered, "You can't," you stood taller and said, "Watch me"? Most people never find out what they're truly capable of. Not because they're weak, but because they never start. They wait for perfect timing, for the fear to fade. But bravery isn't born from comfort. It's born from movement. So here's the truth. You'll never feel ready. You'll just get tired of waiting. There will come a time when you'll outgrow your surroundings. You'll stop fitting into conversations that once felt comfortable. And that's when most people turn back. They confuse loneliness with transformation. But remember this, when you start walking alone, it doesn't mean you're lost. It means you've started listening to the voice inside that knows you're meant for more. You don't need a crowd to create change. You just need courage to stay the course. Motivation fades, inspiration burns out. But discipline builds legends. It's waking up when the bed feels heavy, training when your body says no more. It's doing the small things, the boring things, the hard things, until they change your life. You can't control how you feel every day, but you can control what you do. In spite of it, that's what separates dreamers from doers. Fear will follow you everywhere. It whispers before you begin and screams when you're about to succeed. But here's the secret. Fear isn't the enemy. It's the signal that something great is near. If you weren't scared, it wouldn't matter. So next time fear shows up, thank it, then walk right through it. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's choosing to move, even when it's still there. Success doesn't come from one giant leap. It comes from thousands of small steps that no one sees. Consistency doesn't shout. It whispers. It builds. It compounds. You don't transform overnight. You evolve quietly, while the world isn't watching. So stay consistent, even when it's silent. Because silence is where strength is built. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming. The struggle you're in isn't punishment. It's preparation. Every scar, every failure is just your story sharpening itself. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment, only the decision to rise. Step into your fear. Step into your purpose. Step into bravery.